So Chris, we've got the beta blade in there. What's the next part?
Yeah, blade's all in place, so we'll put the dispense head on now. Put the seal in place. Petrol gel again. Piston. Your two O-rings, put the top one on. Put the top one on first, you'll find it a lot easier to get the other one on, so that'll just slide over. Bit of petrol gel on there. Smear all that round. Handle. Pin. Seal. And you've got the two lugs inside there. So what they do is they stop the agitator from moving. So the outer part spins, but these two lugs stop the inner part from turning. So we know that that's alright, we can put that on. Get the two nuts. Don't be tempted to rope one up tight and then put the other one on, because you won't put it on level, which will cause problems later on. Push it up. Just get a rag so you can get some. You can tighten it up a lot better. Give them a good roping up. Never be tempted to get a spanner or adjustable spanner on these. You're just going to cause damage, either to the front panel or to the head itself.